Hello, Math 107 students. This will be a quick video to show you what the weekly format is for each week of the semester. So right now you see that we have the first 6 weeks of a course. In this particular case, it happens to be a spring course. If this were a fall course, you would see September dates there. And all you have, when you notice this little moon on the left, that says that the week is closed. All you do is click on it and your week opens up. So this is the first week, the orientation week. And as you scroll down, the first thing you'll see in every single week is what we call the to-do list. And the to-do list is one of the most popular features of the course. Students love this to-do list. If you click on the to-do list, you will see, in this case, 9 separate tasks to do during orientation week. As you complete each task, you click the box and it keeps track. The little green bar tells you your progress as you proceed through each task for the week. So this is something students really enjoy doing. So that's our to-do list. And like I said, it's the beginning of every week. For our orientation week for the course, one of the first things I ask you to do is to sign up for an intro meeting with me. And this is just a quick 10-15 minute meeting for us to talk and for me to know some stuff about you and vice versa, and to talk about the course a little bit. So all you have to do is click on here and you'll find a series of 15-minute appointments throughout the week. So you just sign up for one of those, and if for some reason you can't make it when you sign up for, the time you sign up for, just let me know. Then we have our course intro videos, which you've already have found since you're listening to this video. And then here's my Math Lab registration instructions. And when you click on that, it will give you a PDF with the instructions, my what's called the instructor's course ID, which is different every semester. And that's what you need to sign up for my Math Lab. So for orientation week, you have to, I've asked you as one of your tasks to go and read letters from last semester's students. These are letters from last semester's students. I've asked them to give you some advice about how to be successful in the course. And once you read through those, then you go into the discussion forum where you respond to one of the letters, and then you do a quick intro. So I've given you some instructions for that. Here we go. Here's your instructions. So that will be your first weekly forum. And the last thing in this first week is frequently asked questions. Those are questions that students often have about the textbook and my Math Lab and Zoom. So I took questions from previous semesters and I put them in this document. And you'll learn more about GeoGebra as you read through the materials. I'm going to go back up here and close up this week. Just toggle on it. And let's scoot down to week 4. So week 4, similarly, you'll have a weekly to-do list. So as you can see here, you have 3 lessons, lesson 7, lesson 8, and lesson 9 to do. So my advice to you in terms of time management is to treat this as if this were, say, a Monday, Wednesday, Friday class, or a Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday class, whatever your particular schedule happens to be, and to do a lesson each day and complete the homework for that lesson before you start the next lesson, just like you were in class with me, and say you do lesson 7 on, say, a Monday. So between Monday and Wednesday, you do the homework for lesson 7 and the activities in your packet. And then on Wednesday, you would do lesson 8, etc. So that way you'll stay right on top of the material in the course, and you'll sort of set up your own schedule. And each week there's a forum. You can read about this in your syllabus. And then each week you have a quiz. So a quiz will always come in as a PDF sheet. You can download it and then scan it back and submit it right here where it says, click here to submit quiz 3. Now each week I'm going to see how many students submit it, and it will always give you the due date so you don't forget. It's always Sunday night at 11:59, except for the very last week of the course. It will be the last day of the class. And I picked on week 4 here because there's also some supplementary material here called Types of Equations Summary. So by week 4, you will have learned how to solve many different types of problems. And if you take a look at this, this is sort of like a summary sheet. I call it a study aid, where you have all the different types of equations you're learning how to solve. So what I've asked you to do is to, for each type of equation, is to write in your own words how you would solve that type of equation. And then over here, you can take an example, say from your lesson activities or homework, and solve it for yourself. This will help you for quizzes and your midterm exam. So when you see this type of equation, you have something to pull out and review. So that's a quick video on each week and what the format is. As always, let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.